Hi, welcome to Dave's Great Escapes. We're back out again. It's -3, -3. And just look at that waterfall, or should I say ice fall. It's forming ice as it comes over the top. We're in a little woodland just outside, well, in Teesdale, and we've got blue skies. Not that you can see it in this woodland, but we've got blue skies. But like I say, -3. So go on, see what we'll get up to. Yeah, so I haven't been out for a while. I'll not bore you with all my ailments, but got the ongoing back problem. Lost over 700 quid at a chiropractor. Don't go to a chiropractor, they're a waste of money. Definitely didn't help me. And then had some sort of ear infection thing going on. Ooh. Well, it started when chiropractor started cracking my neck. Started getting ear problems. I don't know if it's related. Maybe I had an ear infection. Don't know, but it went on for 7 weeks. Not fun. And then I'm just on cue. I'm just sort of recovering from the man flu. And you girls wouldn't understand. You just wouldn't understand. You know, women get a cold in the night. They can carry on working. You know, they can do the housework. They can cook for us, clean. You know what I mean? They just crack on, don't they? It's fine. But like, if a woman ever had man flu, she'd really know how bad it is. It's just, you know, it's bad. You know, so I'm kind of recovering off that, and so I won't be camping out at the minute because I don't want to do myself in altogether. But I just couldn't resist. Blue sky, lovely fresh air, kill the germs off. Couldn't resist this gorgeous walk in the woods. Beautiful icicles there. I don't know if you can see, but the river is actually frozen here. Totally frozen up. I think if I could come back as a bird, I'd come back as a wren. I absolutely adore them. They're just beautiful, aren't they? And you'll always have a home because you're so small, you can get in those little nooks and crannies in the walls, you know, and wrap yourself in dry moss. I think it'd be beautiful. Yeah, I do like a wren. my fire because I'm responsible, and I don't want to. There's a little bit of grass there, but I'm mainly on the rocky shore of this beck here, if you like. So I put some rocks down, put my biggest logs on the bottom, smaller sticks until it's just kind of like brash on the top, and that should get it going. It's what you call an upside down fire. Something to be aware of when you've got cold hands. You don't feel it when you cut yourself. So I'm just cutting some branches there that have fallen, and just sort of making myself a little fire. And it doesn't really hurt, but it probably will later when I get in the bath. Doesn't really get much better than this, does it? It doesn't take much to get yourself out and just make the effort. Like I say, I'm recovering from the man flu, so I didn't want to camp out. Now I'm here, and I've got this really sheltered spot next to the beck, little fire going. Now I'm here, I'm thinking, wish I had my bloody tent. But you can't push these things, you know. If I made myself worse, I'm just postponing it. I won't be able to get out next week. I've had it for a fortnight, and I don't want to have it any longer, so probably better off just to have this nice little walk and get myself home and get me, my dry, warm bed at home. But I must admit, it is very tempting because it is just absolutely gorgeous here. That is a thing of beauty. It really is. I mean, you know what I mean? It's steak and mushy pea pie. You wish you were me, don't you? You do. Do you know, January is the worst time of year for deaths. And there's a lot of excess deaths at the moment, isn't there? And I was sitting with my mate's a funeral director, and I says, why are funerals so expensive? And he said, well, it's the cost of living, isn't it? But when I'm out here by myself, you do, I get a bit morbid sometimes. I start to think about the people I've lost over the years, which is why I'm no longer a tour guide. Wow. Have you eaten a banana in like -2, -3? I don't recommend it. It's freezing my teeth. Back of the coffee. thoroughly enjoyed that little look out there. It was nice in the sun, wasn't it? And on the fire, but now the sun's gone down. It's bitter, it is bitter. And I'm glad I'm not camping out really. I'm not past me man flu yet, so probably best I get myself way home. So if you like that, give us a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, please do, and you'll catch the next one. And hopefully I'll get up camping next time. I'll not be such a puff. Never mind. Right, see you next time. Bye.